LYFT Inc. shares plunged after a worse-than-expected outlook sparked investor concerns that a planned increase in spend on driver incentives could cut on profits. The disappointing outlook underscores how LYFT struggles to claw its way out of the pandemic without eroding profitability. Though the ride-hailing giant and its rival Uber Technologies Inc. have found resurgent customer demand, attracting drivers has been a persistent challenge, and companies have spent millions in bonuses and other incentives to lure drivers back. A dramatic spike in gas prices in March squeezed workers' take-home earnings, further casting doubt on rideshare platforms' ability to retain them. Lyft and Uber have already introduced a gas surcharge to rides in a bid to help drivers. Lyft is planning to invest more in driver supply in the second quarter in order to boost driver supply and increase the number of drivers. This will help to increase the Lyft's customer base and help to reduce congestion on the road. The outlook suggests that the company investments to boost driver supply coupled with higher gas prices may keep dragging on ride frequency through the year.